So, we'll take a look inside at 24 chicken boneless happiness. So, this is no cheese flavored. Looks yummy. Thank you kay Ate Ning. And this one is lemon glaze and snow cheese flavored. Half and half. Feeling ko, nasa Korea ko. Annyeonghaseyo! So, pinahihirapan muna tayong buksan, mga beshi. This one is lemon glaze.